So for the final part, we're going to be using this tool called Fillet. But first, we need to activate the Starship version 1. Activate component. And then make the lower body visible. And then you want to right click on the upper body. Select Move/Copy. And then move it to the left. And then press OK. Now go to Fillet. Select the edges here. This one, this one, this one, and this one. The same for the other side. And then the same for the fins on the lower body. Like that. And then make them 2.5 millimeters. So you should get something like this. Then press OK. And now you want to put them together. So assemble, joint, capture position. And then you want to select this face. Like that. And then the inner circle here. Like that. You should get something like this. It should move up here. And then change the motion to slide. Then press OK. And in joint, right click on the motion. Right click on the slider 1. Edit join limit. So the minimum and the maximum. So the maximum is going to be 60 and the minimum is going to be 0. And rest is going to be at 0. Press OK. Then right click on the lower body and select ground. And now you can just move it like this. So this is what it will be like in real life. And next, press A on your keyboard. And now you can select the color for it. I'm going to use gray, like how we have it as the spaceship. So if you look here, the real one is gray, or you call it silver. After you've done all of that, save your work. And then you want to export your work. So go up here to where it says Starship version 1 or version 2 once you save it. Click on Save as STL. Make sure refinement is on high. And for structure, make sure it's on 1 file per body. So this will separate the upper body and the lower body. Then press OK. And then save it somewhere where you can find it. I'm going to save mine here. Once you've done that, you can print out your work if you have a 3D printer. If you don't, you can use online services. We have Makerverse, so you just upload your STL file in there. They'll give you a quote, and then once you pay and everything, they'll send and deliver it to your house. And that is it.